In the video, Recycle and Reuse, Not Just for Humans, I gave you 6 incorrect answers. Let's explore why they were incorrect. The first nest featured was an eagle's nest. The American robin's nest is obviously much smaller than an eagle's nest, and robins use mud for final stabilization of the nest. Ospreys tend to nest on ledges or man-made platforms and need open surroundings for easy access. And turkey vultures, they tend not to build nests at all and often use cliffs or abandoned buildings for their nest site. The second nest featured was a broad-winged hawk nest. The ovenbird nest is nothing like the broad-winged hawk nest. Ovenbirds nest on the ground. Their nests resemble an outdoor bread oven with a side opening, thus giving them their name. The barred owl is a cavity nester and will also sometimes use an abandoned platform nest. And the downy woodpecker is a cavity nester.